Okay, something a bit different today. Actually, hold on. Have you ever suddenly had a brilliant idea, but then it just goes out of your mind? You might even think, oh, it's such a good idea, I'll write it down later. But it disappears. It's the worst feeling, right? You might be out on an adventure, like I am right now. I'm going to the beach, because when I'm here, I'm out in Mother Nature, I'm surrounded by the elements. The power of the ocean, it inspires me. I come up with my best ideas, I brainstorm, I ideate. But I don't want to carry around a notepad and pen. But what do I do if I've got suddenly a really, really good idea? We've all been there, chasing after the fleeting thoughts, wishing we had a way to capture them in that moment. Well, this is where VoicePal comes in. So VoicePal is your personal ghostwriter. It listens to you, capturing every word you say, every nuance of your thought process. It understands your style and your tone, and it translates your spoken words into the written form. But VoicePal doesn't stop that, it goes above and beyond. It acts as a creative partner. It prompts you with insightful questions, encouraging you to delve deeper into your ideas and exploring them from different angles and refine your thinking, ready to help you unlock the full potential of your creativity wherever you are. I've been using VoicePal for a couple of weeks now, and it has changed my productivity process and my ideation and brainstorming. I've been more productive in the last couple of weeks than I have been in months and months and months. So I really hope this has helped you. Please leave a comment in the comments section down below if it has. This is not a sponsored video, but I just love it. And I just wanted to shout it out to anybody that watches this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much. See you soon.